Looking for a home in Alta Sierra for under $400,000? Well, I got you covered. This is a really cute, newer home that actually has fire sprinklers in it that is up in the trees. It's definitely what I would call like a tree home, looking at the top of the trees with beautiful, spectacular views. You can come in, you can look at the newer floors that they put in, which are really beautiful throughout the house. I love the kitchen that they actually put into with the openness, the bright, the vaulted ceilings. You can check out the main. It's all on one level. You do need to walk up a few steps, just a few, to get up to here, but you can actually enjoy the view and enjoy the beautiful home up here on the beautiful estates of Alta Sierra. So if you'd like to see this one or any others, feel free, reach out. Let me know. I'll be happy to help. Take care.